Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the hottest new modern kitchen design ideas for 2024. Whether you're planning a renovation or just looking for some fresh inspiration, we've got the latest trends to help you transform your kitchen into a stylish and functional masterpiece. From bold color palettes and sleek minimalist layouts to smart technology and eco-friendly materials, we'll show you how to make your kitchen the perfect blend of innovation and design. Get ready to take your kitchen to the next level with these cutting-edge ideas. New modern kitchen design ideas for 2024 focus on blending functionality with sophisticated aesthetics to create stylish and efficient spaces. Some key trends include 1. Minimalist aesthetic. Clean lines, uncluttered surfaces, and hidden storage dominate modern kitchens. Sleek cabinetry with handleless designs and integrated appliances provide a streamlined look. 2. Bold color schemes. While neutral tones like white and gray remain popular, 2024 brings a bold shift towards rich, deep colors such as navy, forest green, and black for cabinetry, often paired with gold or brass accents. 3. Sustainable materials. Eco-conscious homeowners are choosing sustainable materials like recycled countertops, bamboo flooring, and energy-efficient appliances to minimize environmental impact without compromising on style. 4. Smart kitchens. The integration of smart technology continues to rise, with smart ovens, touchless faucets, and refrigerators that help with grocery management becoming staples of modern kitchens. 5. Natural elements. Wood, stone, and other organic materials are making a comeback, offering warmth and texture. A combination of matte finishes and natural tones elevates the overall ambience. 6. Open shelving. Replacing traditional upper cabinets, open shelving in natural wood or metal adds a modern, airy feel and offers a way to display stylish kitchenware. 7. Mixed materials. Combining different materials, such as marble countertops, wood islands, and metal accents, creates a rich, layered look. Contrasting textures add depth and interest. 8. Hidden pantries and appliances. Concealed storage solutions like hidden pantries, built-in refrigerators, and appliance garages help maintain a seamless kitchen look while maximizing functionality. These 2024 design ideas highlight the blend of technology, sustainability, and style, creating kitchens that are both cutting-edge and inviting. Thanks for watching. We hope you found plenty of inspiration in our roundup of the new modern kitchen design ideas for 2024. If you're excited to implement some of these trends in your own kitchen, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more design tips and ideas. Let us know in the comments which trend you're loving the most and how you plan to style your kitchen in 2024. Stay tuned for more videos to help you create the home of your dreams.